In this example, we're going to take a polynomial and some characteristics of a polynomial and construct the polynomial itself. We are given some information. It says the polynomial of degree 4, p of x, has root of multiplicity 2 at x equal 2, and roots of multiplicity 1 at x equals 0 and x equal negative 2. And then it goes through the point 563. So let's find a formula. Well, I think the first thing we need to do is make a laundry list. First, we know that it's degree 4. The first root given has multiplicity 2 at x equal 2. And then the other roots given have multiplicity 1 at x equals 0 and at x equal negative 2. The last piece of information, which means we're probably going to use it last, is that p goes through the point 563. Okay, well, if these are roots, then these are factors. So let's write out these factors modeling p of x. So p of x will have the first root, which is x equal to 2, which is x minus 2. But it has a multiplicity of 2. This means that the exponent on this factor is 2. Times multiplicity 1 at x equals 0, so that's x minus 0, times the factor where the root is x equal negative 2, that would be x minus negative 2, which is x plus 2. Don't forget that we could have a vertical stretch or compression. So there is some sort of constant out here in front, the leading coefficient. We don't really know if that's 1 or not, so we have to leave the a there. So let's write this a little nicer. So p of x is equal to a times x plus 2 times x minus 2 squared. Okay, so the second thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find a. We're going to use the point 563. So the first part you should do is just go ahead and set up the function. And then solve for a. If I'm given the point 563, this means that p of 5 is equal to a times 5 times 5 plus 2 and times 5 minus 2 squared. P of 5, meaning the y value was 63, so 63 is equal to a times 5 times 7 times 9. So this is 5 times 7 times 9. If we go to our calculator, 5 times 7 times 9 is 315. And this means a is equal to 63 over 315. So let's see if I can get that reduced a little bit. And that says 0.2. So 2/10 or 1/5. So a is equal to 1/5, or we could put 0.2. Great, now let's put everything together. Let's put 1i and 2i all together, and let's go ahead and write p of x. So p of x is equal to 1/5, or 0.2, however you want to write it, x times x plus 2 times x minus 2 squared.